Hey everyone! Did you know about the SARS solar panel tax incentive? Yeah, it's a pretty awesome way for homeowners to save some serious cash from their tax liability for the 2024 tax year. Basically, SARS is offering tax incentives this filing season to those taxpayers who have installed solar energy during the 2024 tax year. Who can claim the incentive? Individuals who pay personal income tax can claim this rebate against their tax liability in the 2024 tax year if they have already acquired PV panels and installed them by the 28th of February 2024. This rebate is not intended for solar installations at business premises. Remember, you must be residing in the premises where the solar panels are installed. The solar panel system must be connected to the residence's electrical distribution board. The resident must have an electrical certificate of compliance. For more information on the requirements, visit our website on sars.gov.za. Individuals will be able to claim a rebate to the value of 25% of the cost of new and unused solar photovoltaic, also known as PV panels, up to a maximum of 15,000 rands per individual. For example, a person buys 10 solar PV panels at a cost of 4,000 rands per panel, and the total cost is 40,000 rands. That person would be able to claim 25% of the total cost, which is 10,000 rands. The limit of the claim is 15,000 rands per individual. This means that the person will be able to claim the full 10,000 rands. So not only have you helped the environment, but you've also saved money for the 2024 tax year. How cool is that? Hashtag solar power. Hashtag tax incentive. Hashtag SARS.